Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to join public server on Discord app. So if you want to join the Discord public server, so how will you do that? So if I open any server here, you can see I've already joined the public server here, like Valorant. I've already joined it. So how can I do that? So there is no options to join public server on app, so you have to use browser to join public server. So just search discord.com, or you can type discord login and just tap on it and just go to the first link, and you have to go upward and tap on open Discord. So it will open the login page of Discord where you have to log in with your ID. So I have already logged in here, so it will take me to the page or dashboard. So if you want to join the public server, you have to tap on the discovery icon. So can you see the discovery icon on the left panel? This, just tap on it. So now it will open the community, all the public server here. So here are the popular public server on uh, dashboard. So here is the Roblox server also. So if you want to join Roblox, just tap on it, and you can see that right now 1,55,530 people are online on this group, and there are total 9 lakh, about 10 lakhs people are the member of this group. So if you want to join it, just tap on it. So just close this window, and if you want to join, you have to zoom in, and you can see on the top there is option join Roblox. Just tap on it to join it. So now you can see the one more group has been added to my list, Roblox. So if I tap on it, so the Roblox server will be open, and it is already open on my dashboard. So if I go back to my app and see if the Roblox has been added or not, so the notification already came on my Discord app. So let me open it and see. So this is the call bot. So I think I have already logged. So let me open the Roblox. So this is the Roblox, and you must complete a few steps before you can talk. So before joining, there can be conditions. So to join any server, just tap on it to continue. And first of all, we have to verify our email address to join this. So there are several conditions to join several public servers. So just verify your email ID here to. So just tap on the I have read and agreed to the rules, and tap on complete. Now I have read already, so just tap on it. So I think I have to tap on it. Yeah. So I have linked my account, tap on it. So you must be new, so you need to link your Roblox account to your Discord account to continue. So I have to link my Roblox account to Discord. So how to do that? You can do by going. So I hope you get the idea how to join the public server. So I'll show you. So it will be the other video, can be the other video where I can show the how to join the Roblox account with the Discord account. So see in that video, and hope you get it how to join the public server on Discord. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.